Hi everyone, it's Lou Collins for CraftStash here, and I've got another 3-minute hack for you. So if you are doing your craft stamping and this particular stamp doesn't have an outline die with it, because that's so popular nowadays, isn't it? What do you do? I mean, something like this, how far do you take those outlines? It's always a little bit confusing. You just wish they'd give you some sort of guidance. Well, you can find out exactly how to do the perfect outline for any stamp, and that's by actually using the stamp. So I have stamped this in black, and I'm just going to wipe off any excess from the surface and take it out of my stamp platform. And then we're going to place the stamp back where it was before, so back over the image, and take a pencil and just draw around your stamp. It's as easy as that. So just with a pencil line, I'm going to gently go around the stamp. And then what this has given you is a light pencil border for exactly where to cut that out nice and neat with an even border all the way around. So I'm going to use my Fussy cutting scissors, and I love the embroidery scissors that I have from my sewing kit. These are just the best for getting in small detail because of the fine point on them. And I'm going to follow exactly those lines that I've just made with my pencil. Look how easy that was to cut a really perfectly even border all the way around. Now this will work with any sentiment stamp as long as they're not on a stamp plate with other stamps as well. It will also work for things like florals, for butterflies, you name it. If you don't have an outline die with your stamps, you can use this trick to find the perfect outline. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget, of course, to subscribe to the CraftStash YouTube channel and check out all of our other 3-minute card making hacks in this playlist just here, where you'll find lots of tips and tricks. Take care, everybody. See you soon.